Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm so happy to have you here with me on Life of Pang. Before I get started, I just want to remind you that my recipe and my full instruction on how you can make this cake is down below this video. So if you're using your computer or laptop browser, you need to actually click on the Show More word that's right below the published date of this video. And if you're on a mobile tablet or mobile phone, then you need to get out of full screen mode and actually click on that down triangle. And that would expand the information text box to show you all the recipes and instructions below, okay? So for now, just sit back and relax. No need to take notes on anything. Just enjoy the video. Then save it to your watch later list and come back to it when you're ready to actually make the cake, okay? In today's video, I will be making a chocolate Japanese sponge cake. Today I will be using 6 egg yolk and egg white. And I'm using 6 because my eggs are from my hens and they're pretty small. If you have larger eggs, you can do 5 egg yolks and 5 egg white, plus 1 additional whole egg. There were a few comments saying that the Japanese sponge cake tastes eggy to some people, and so I wanted to try something different to see if we can get rid of that eggy taste. So today we're going to add chocolate and see if we can get a better taste than the regular sponge cake or Japanese cheesecake. So for me, I put everything into the rice cooker and turn it on and then close the lid for about a minute to a minute and a half. And then I stir it or mix it with a hand whisk. And then just keep mixing it until everything is melted. I am going to cut out some of the video footage, but I wanted to show you just the basic. First, I just beat the egg white for about a minute and a half, and then I stop and add the salt. Now beat it for about 2 minutes, and then add a little bit of sugar. Go ahead and beat that for another 2 minutes, and then add a little bit more sugar. Beat it some more for another 2 minutes and then add all of your sugar. And now beat it for another 2 minutes or until the peak kind of stands up. It does not have to be perfect. It's just cooking, right? I put in the egg white and then just mix it or turn it. Don't overmix it. Now add a little bit more egg white. And again, just turn it, mix it. Once you add all your egg whites, then go ahead and use a spatula to just scrape the sides and the bottoms to make sure that your mixture is blended with the egg whites. Now, if you weren't using your rice cooker as your mixing bowl, you wouldn't have this problem. But for me, I'll have to take this extra step. And let's start our first cook. And what I usually do is the minute I press the button, I'll put on a timer for 30 minutes. And I do that because I keep forgetting to come back and push that button. There are a few important things you need to know if you're new to baking in your rice cooker. The rice cooker will stay in this cooked state for only about 5 minutes, and then it will go into the warm state. And this is normal because the rice cooker needs to cool down. During the baking process, there's not a lot of liquid, and so the rice cooker must cool down. But don't worry, during this warm state, your cake is still baking, so try not to open the rice cooker until after the second or third cook cycle. And if you try pushing that cook button and it doesn't want to stay on the cook status and keeps going back to warm, that just means it needs a longer period to cool down. So give it another 10 minutes and then try to push that cook button again. Alright, it's after the second bake, so let's check to see how our cake is doing. Oh, that smells good. It smells chocolatey. I usually use a chopstick to test whether my cake is done or not. And looks like this one, we will need to do another cook cycle. Alright, now it's after the third cycle. Let's check again. And look at that, my chopstick is coming out clean, so we are done baking. It smells and looks delicious. But first, let's do the bounce test. What do you think? Did it pass the bounce test? I think so. I like my big pieces of cake. That tastes really chocolatey and delicious. It does not have the egg taste or that super rich taste like the Japanese cheesecake. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you'll make this cake. It's absolutely delicious, just like the Japanese cheesecake was too. If this video was enjoyable for you, please give me the thumbs up below and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not done so. So until next time, happy baking! Hey, you made it to the end. That must mean you like it, right? So make sure you hit that thumbs up if this was enjoyable and helpful. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. And I sure hope that you will come back and watch more videos. But until next time, happy baking!